Bonding formation of bonding molecular orbital to electron wave bonding atom reinforce each other due to the contractive interference. Formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital. The electron wave each other cancel due to the distractive interference. Electron density in bonding molecular orbital is located between the nuclei of bonded atoms, because of which the repulsion between nuclei is very less. In case of antibonding orbital, most of the electron density is located away from the space between the nuclei. Nodal plane on which electron density is zero between the nuclei and repulsion between the nuclei is high. The electron placed in bonding molecular orbital tend to hold the nuclei together and stabilize molecule. The bonding molecular orbital always possesses lower energy, either atomic orbital combine to form. In contrast, इसके विपरीत इलेक्ट्रॉन प्लेस्ड anti-bonding molecular orbital destabilize the molecule. This is because mutual repulsion of the electron in this orbital is more. The attraction between the electron and nuclei, which causes net energy increase. Energy of anti-bonding orbital is raised above energy of parent atomic orbital that combine, and energy of bonding orbital has been lowered than parental orbital. Total energy of two molecule orbital remains same as the two original atomic orbital. Linear combination of atomic orbital. Combining atomic orbital must have nearly the same energy. For example, means one s orbital can combine with another one s orbital